Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 13. The other day I went to the aquarium, and I love it there because I love ocean creatures. And I was so excited because right away when I walked in the door, I saw a whole bunch of adorable little pufferfish. In the first tank, I saw 23 pufferfish. Aren't they cute? In the next tank, I only saw 4. And I was thinking to myself, how lucky am I to have seen so many pufferfish? But wait, how many did I see in all? That seems like a tricky number to add because they're so very big. You know what? Maybe some of our old math strategies that we learned could help me out. It's actually helpful because today our learning goal says, I can count on or make a 10 to add. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do with these little puffer fish. I'm going to start with that first strategy, counting on. Now, in counting on, you say the biggest number and then you add up the smallest number. So in this case, I'm going to say 23 and I'm going to add up 4. Here we go. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Hey, cool! I saw 27 pufferfish. Now you'll notice I put that place value out there to check myself. I just want to make sure I have the right number. So I'm going to go ahead and count my groups of 10s and then count my 1s. I'll put them in my place value mat and compare it with my other answer. Here we go. I have 1, 2 groups of 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Yep, 2 10s and 7 ones is the exact same thing as 27. Haha, well done. All right, well then I went a little bit further into the aquarium and I saw a whole bunch of little bitty cute octopus. In the first tank, I saw 34 octopus. Aren't they so precious? In the next tank, I saw 3 more. Well, I want to know how many I have, and we're still using that good strategy of counting on. So I'm going to go ahead and count on. Friends, when I'm counting on, what number would I say first? 34 or 3? That's right. I would definitely say 34 because it's the biggest number. I'm going to say 34, and then I'm going to count on 3. 34, 35, 36, 37. Yep, I have 37 little octopus. Now, I'm going to fill in my place value mat just to make sure I did it right. I'm going to count my groups of 10s first. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10s. And now I'm going to count my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Haha, good. Yep, because 3 10s and 7 1s is the exact same thing as 37. Well, I'm really rocking and rolling here. All right, friend, it's your turn. You're going to join me. I would like you to go ahead and go get a dry erase board or a marker because I'm going to have you practice some of these problems too. Press play when you're ready. Okay, here we go. All right, the first number we're going to start with is 41. Can you go ahead and draw 4 nice 10 towers just like I did, and then 1 little 1. Okay, now we're going to add 3. And when you're adding numbers, sometimes it's better to draw what you're adding to what you started with a little bit differently so that you can tell that you've made a change. Now normally we've been just drawing more 10s and 1s, but for right now I'm going to have us draw X's for the things that we're adding. I'll show you. So I'm going to add 3. And instead of drawing 3 more little circles, I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 X's. Can you have your picture match mine? Now the reason why I'm doing that is my X's are going to be showing my change. The change is adding 3. I had 41. I'm going to change it by adding 3 more. I'm going to go ahead and slide them over, but of course you wouldn't be able to do that on your picture. I'm going to have you just go ahead and count. Do you see all the ones right there? All right, so let's count and see how many 10s we have first, and we'll put it into our place value mat. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s, and can you go ahead and count the ones and tell me how many ones you see? Hey, that's right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that must mean 41 plus 3 is equal to 44. Pretty fun, huh? I love drawing those cool X's. All right, erase your board or find a new spot. We're going to try another one. This time, we're going to do 13 plus 5. you'll notice instead of even putting the x's next to it, I'm just going to add them all together right there in my picture. I have a 10 tower for the 13 and the 3 ones that are circles. And then I put 5 x's to show the change that I'm adding to 13. All right, I want you to press pause while you draw that good picture and number sentence so that you can match mine, and then we'll solve it together. All right, you have your picture done? Here we go. We have 13 plus 5. Let's see, I'm going to fill in my place value map to help me. I have one group of 10, and then I want to know how many ones I had. Well, I had 3, and then I'm going to add up 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones. So 13 plus 5 must equal what? How do I say 1 tens and 8 ones the regular way? That's right, 18. Wowza, we're doing so well. All right, let's try it again. Now, this is pretty similar, but it's just going to be a little bit different. Because remember, we're doing 2 strategies today. We're counting on, but then we're also going to make a 10. And I noticed something in this word problem. It says 26 plus 4. Friend, for this one, I don't want you to draw a picture yet. You can go ahead and set your pencil or your marker down. Okay, now 26 is a big number and 4 is a big number, but I'm going to see if I can make a 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a number bond out of my 26. And I'm going to take out the 10s and take out the 1s. So I have 20 plus 6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 1s together to see if I can make a new 10. So I had 6 from 26, and then the 4 more that I was adding. And you know what? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Oh, cool. Now all I have to do is add that 10 to the 20 that I already had there. So 20 plus 10 equals 30. That must mean that 26 plus 4 equals 30. Now, I can check myself by looking at my good picture. I have 2 groups of 10. And then I have one more group of 10 that I made with adding my 6 and my 4. Let's count just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, we did make a 10. That's super cool. So I have 3 groups of 10s. 10, 20, 30. Aha, excellent. Now let's try another one where we're going to make another group of 10. Okay? So I would like you to write down this number sentence. You don't have to draw the picture, that's fine. Because I'm going to have the picture right there. Just do the number sentence, 33 plus 7. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a number bond out of that 33. Can you go ahead and press pause while you write the 10s and then the 1s, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you write the 2 parts of 33? Hopefully you did. You should have 30 and 3, because 30 plus 3 equals 33. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and slide my picture over so you can see. I'm going to put the 1s together and make a 10, because 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now, we have to add in the 10s that we already had, and so I already had 3 groups of 10s, or 30, so I'm going to say 30 plus 10 equals 40. So that must mean 33 plus 7 equals 40. If I wasn't sure, I can just look at my groups of 10s and count up by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Boom, rock star. Excelente. All right. Ooh, what is going on here? Well, they already gave us the picture, and they already showed us the change. For this one, you're going to write a number sentence to match what you see. So, I want you to write the number that you started with, and then add the change that you see. Press play so you can check yourself. Okay, ready? You should have a good number sentence to match this picture. Well, I know I started with a 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones, so that's 16. And then how many did I add to make a change? Yeah, 3. So now I need to do 16 plus 3. Well, I like counting on, so I could say 16 and then count up 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. Or, since I have a picture, might as well just count all the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I made a number bond out of these. I took out the 10 and the 6 to show the 2 parts, just like my picture does. And then I'm going to add my 1s together. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then now I have to add it to the 10s I already had. I only had one group of 10, and that's pretty easy. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So as you can see, our learning goal told us we could do counting on or making a 10, and you can really do either one or a mix of both. 16 plus 3 equals 19. Now this was our learning goal. It's a little tricky, but we're going to get lots of practice with adding and counting on and making a 10 to add. So for right now, it's your turn. I want you to go get an exit ticket from your teacher. You'll notice it starts with the picture. It shows how many you began with, and then the X's are going to show the change, or the amount that you added. At the bottom, you're going to go ahead and finish that number sentence. And then the place value map, you're going to draw what you see in the picture as well. Good luck, friends.